Alright guys, my name is Aditya Kharadkar and welcome back to the Brainstorm Codings. In this video, I will show you how to create tables in our web page. So for creating the tables, we have an HTML element which is known as the table element, and the table element is an opening and closing element. So let me remove all this definition list. So we have the table element which has a closing element as well, and inside which we specify the rows in our table by using the tr element. So the tr stands for table rows, and inside this tr element we will specify the table data or the columns inside these rows. So I want to have 4 columns. Let's copy this one. First column will contain Golang, then we'll have Python, HTML and CSS. If I save this file now, I go to the browser and refresh the page. You can see this is the row we have defined right now by using the tr element, and these are the columns we have inside this row. Now this is looking ugly, or you just can't see the borders because we haven't added borders around this table. So the table element has an attribute known as border. So now if I save this file and go to the browser, you get to see the borders around the elements, and you can create as many rows as you want. I have 3 rows, and all the rows contain 4 columns. So if I save this file now and go to the browser, you can see this is the first row which has 4 columns. There is the second row which again has 4 columns, and this is the third row which has 4 columns. So this is how you use the table element to create a table. Then you use the tr element to create the table rows, and then you use this td element to create a column or to have some data inside the table. Now you can see we have to have a table heading for all the tables because we have to know the category, or we have to specify the category of the data. So for that we have the th element. Let me create another rows because I want to have the table heading on the first row. So we have this th element, and just because we have 4 columns, so we will have 4 different th elements, and each th element or each heading will tell about the data it has in all the columns, or in its column, not all the columns. So I can give this name as Golang. It doesn't matter what you choose, it's your choice. This will be Python, HTML and CSS. Now if I save this file, you will get to see the difference why this is called as the table heading. You can see we have this in bold letters. So this is the table heading we have. So this is how you use the table element, the tr element, the th element and the td element to create a table, a row, a column and a table heading. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, I will tell you about some of the attributes we can use with the table element. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.